Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a new recipe of how I make my native rice, also known as palm oil rice. I hope you try this. I have my rice here. I'm using 2 smoked fishes. Then I have my already blended crayfish. Then I have salt. You have to use the quantity of salt that will be enough. Then I have my seasoning cubes. Then I have my fresh pepper, which I'm going to be blending very soon. This is called okpei in Igbo language. It's made from castor bean, and this is what's going to give this food that traditional taste that it needs. Next, I have my vegetables. I'm using ugu leaf. And the next thing I have here is my onion, which I'm going to be slicing soon. Then a major ingredient in this food is palm oil or red oil. Now it's time to start cooking. First of all, you have to parboil the rice, and to do that you need to put water in the pot, place it on the fire and leave it to boil. So as it's on the fire, you have to start washing your rice. I like to wash my rice before I parboil it because it removes the dirt that comes with the rice. So after washing the rice, you put it inside a sieve. Allow the water to drain out. Then I'm going to use this table mortar and pestle to pound the fresh pepper and the okpei, that's the castor seed. The water has started to boil, so it's time to add your washed rice into the pot. Leave it on fire for like 10 minutes. Once it's like this, it's time to wash it and then put it in a sieve to drain the water. And then you continue with the preparation of the other things that you've not done, like the cutting of the onions, which I'm doing right now. You also need to slice your vegetables, the vegetables you're going to be using. So right now I'm slicing my ugu leaf. And then it's time to wash the smoked fish. I wash it with hot water to remove the sand particles. Now it's time to start the actual cooking. So you leave a pot on fire. Once it's dried, you add the red oil. Then you add your onion. It's time to start adding all those ingredients that you've been prepping since, except the vegetables, because that one will be added lastly when the water in the rice is already almost dry. So now I'm adding my crayfish. After adding the crayfish, you add your seasoning cubes. Now you add your salt. Now it's time to add the ogiri and the pepper, which you pounded together earlier. By now, everybody around will be perceiving this aroma coming from your kitchen, so just be prepared to serve plenty people food. Allow the mixture to steam for a while, just for a few seconds. Now it's time to add your fish, that stockfish that you washed with hot water. You add it to the pot, you turn everything together. Allow the mixture to cook for like 30 seconds and then it's time to add your water. You add water according to the quantity of the rice that you're cooking. So now I'm adding my water. Now add your rice, turn everything together and cover the pot. Allow the water to be dry. Now that the rice is almost dry, it's time to add your vegetables. So after adding your vegetables, allow it to sit for just 1 minute on fire, and then you have to bring it down from the fire so that the vegetable will not get too soft. Now the rice is ready. It's time to turn everything together so that the vegetables will go round in the rice. So you guys, the food is ready and everywhere is filled with the aroma of this food. So make sure you try it at home. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy this recipe. Just look at this plate of yumminess. Don't you just want to bring your spoon and join me? Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you've not yet subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.